Cabinet today also decided to revisit the MRSSA, which is already an existing state act, to add more teeth to this act in view of what we have just experienced at Sora, and to ensure that we minimize the possibility of criminal elements entering Meghalaya in the guise of tourists. As far as the ILP is concerned, let me remind you that the State Assembly has already adopted a resolution. The matter is pending before the MHA, which has a number of queries which we as a state government are trying to address. So some of these queries relate to the fact that Meghalaya is not an endpoint. We are also connecting the rest of the northeast, like the states of like Silchar and the states of Mizoram and Tripura. So there are certain queries, but if you go through the MRSSA, there is already a lot that is already in place, but we need to upscale and further improve upon what we already have in the MRSSA. So we will come up with formal proposal. See, we already have a tourism act which records all movements of tourists, including the cars or whatever mode of transport they use, and also registration of compulsory registration of all visitors at various homestays, resorts and hotels. Now, the use of this app is roughly around 50%, but we will now make it compulsory that all homestays, resorts and other places of accommodation should register all visitors mandatorily. MRSSA is our version of what we would like to do in order to ensure the safety of all residents of Meghalaya. But as I mentioned, we would like now to revisit the act in order to plug whatever loopholes are currently in it and give it more dynamism and more thrust with whatever has happened at Sora, so that we ensure that we have an atmosphere that is safe and we continue to be tourist friendly. Cabinet today